Sugar, welcome back to Sugarland with me, Savira. So, I was happy to change from Masak.tv and Telkomsel to be a part of their food and travel to Thailand. And I will share to you all about this journey. After landed in Bangkok, we were leaving straight to Pattaya. Hope you enjoy this video.
Okay, the second places we are visiting now is sheep farm. Yay! We're now at Pattaya sheep farm. Okay. Are we going to see the sound the sheep? Look at that! What animals got talent? Well, no, they're not real.
Halo, lagi di mana?
Sheep farm. Video on video. Okay. We are going to the real sheep over there. And now I'm so excited. There. Baby domba. So overall, the Pattaya sheep farm provides how to feed the sheep and giving them some milk, and also they have a kids playland and a lot of spot to do a photo shoot, and you can take a funny picture here. They also have a steakhouse over there at my back. Just if you come to Pattaya, don't forget to come to Pattaya sheep farm because it's so fun. And they also have a promo. Kids eat free every day. I'm going to be a 110 centimeter kiddo. Eat free. I can eat free.
From Pattaya sheep farm, we are leaving to the hotel to take a bath, change clothes, and get prepared to have dinner before we are leaving to the most popular show in Thailand. Can you guess what is that?